Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vishal, and in today's video we have got book reveal or book flip through of Rosalie Haizlett's new book Tiny World. So it took me 15 days to get this book delivered at my address. So let me show you the book. Here's the book. So I'll be doing a book reveal as well as share what were my expectation, and let's see. I'm not able to communicate properly, so sorry for that. I do have her another book. Let me show you. Another amazing book. So I loved this one. So I did some of the paintings from this, and very soon I'll be doing a flip through as well as say the sketches that I learned and painted from this book. The butterfly. Overall, I had very fun experience with this book, and I'm hoping that this book too will be really spectacular. But some of the videos that I see that it's not a how to, but some of the videos that I have seen on the web, it shows that it's not a how to do book, but more about her sharing her experience going to the Appalachian mountain trail. So if she completed the whole if she completed the whole Appalachian trail, it would be really amazing. So I have read few books on that, more than 7 or 8 books on trail hiking, and the Appalachian trail I think is more than 1,600 miles. Oh, sorry, I'm not sure, but it's huge distance. It's a big distance. Okay. So here's the book. Really excited. Smells nice. So this is the book. Hardbound. $24.95 US, and it costed me around 1,700 rupees or something like that.
Fantasies, I've got fantasies that we're driving down the boulevard. You hold me close and all the scars are gone. I should say I don't look the same as I did.
There are so many beautiful paintings. There are so many beautiful paintings, and let's do a flip through. Okay, let's do a flip through. So this is a book by Rosalie Haizlett, Tiny Worlds of the Appalachian Mountain, an Artist's Journey. So here we have got dragonfly, salamander or some kind of lizard. Overall, the whole so I cannot show you the whole book because of some copyright issues, or I don't know, but I will show some of the paintings. Let's see. This painting we do have in this one. The same painting we have in here too. Fiddlehead Fonts, page number 15. Things are somewhat same, but not exactly. For my parents for showing me how to live creatively. So let's go through the index. Do we have an index pattern? Southern Appalachian, Central Appalachian, Northern Appalachian, Canadian Appalachian, home again. Epilogue, acknowledgement, further reading, a peek inside my artistic process. So that's all we have got. How? Just look at it. Her paintings are just so beautiful. The vibrant color and the detailing she does is just magnificent. So I first came to know about her from the Skillshare classes, and I did some of her project from the Skillshare classes. Okay, once I complete the other books, I'll share all the paintings that I learned and did from Rosalie Haizlett Skillshare classes as well as her books. So she basically uses watercolor and ink or pen. So just look at the frog. Then we have got few snakes, some beautiful hand-drawn maps, more maps, Eastern Screech Owl. So she has also provided the scientific name. Hidden Hunters, Roundleaf Sundew, how detailed and how beautiful these are. So I hope you okay, so I do have read her book, this book, Mud, Rocks and Blazes, and another book by Heather Anise Anderson. Yeah, I do have read it. It's an amazing book. About the author, Rosalie Haizlett is an illustrator from West Virginia. Her mission is to notice and creatively Her mission is to notice and creatively celebrate the often overlooked wonders of the natural world through hand-illustrated maps and vibrant watercolor painting featuring the flora, fauna, and fungi that she finds on her hike. As a top teacher on Skillshare, she has taught over 60,000 students technique for drawing, creative inspiration from the natural world. Find her artwork, books, and online classes at www.rosaliehaizlett.com and keep up with her adventures on social media at the rate of Rosalie Haizlett. So that's the flip through. And if you like this kind of video and enjoyed the thing that I am doing with this channel, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So once again, thank you. And it's an amazing book. Check it out. So have a painting.